Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Trendsetting kitchen sink styles have evolved beyond mere functionality, become focal points that elevate the overall design of contemporary kitchens. Undermount sink seamlessly integrate with countertops, offering a sleek and clean aesthetics while facilitating easy countertop cleanup. Apron front or farmhouse sinks are making a stylish comeback, exuding a rustic charm and providing a deep basin for versatile usage. Innovative materials such as composite granite or stainless steel offer durability without compromising on modern appeal. Multifunctional sinks equipped with built-in cutting boards or drying racks showcase a fusion of convenience and design. Unity bold geometric shapes like square or rectangular sinks brings a modern edge to traditional kitchen spaces. Touchless or smart sinks activated by motion sensors and a touch of technological sophistication, promoting hygiene and convenience. The choice of sink style has become a statement in kitchen design, reflecting the homeowner's taste and the evolving trends in contemporary interior aesthetics as kitchens continue to evolve into dynamic living spaces. These trend-setting sink styles redefine the heart of the home, merging functionality with cutting-edge design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.